When you get frustrated, angry, worried, what happens to your breathing? If you think of something that stirs up any really strong emotion inside of you, you'll notice that your breath becomes constricted, shallow, your upper body it tenses up. And without realizing it, you've sent messages to your brain that you are now in danger. Now, unless your life is under real threat, then these chemicals coursing through your entire body to prepare you for battle are, well, they're completely and utterly unnecessary. It is a fact that how we're feeling without our awareness dictates our breathing patterns, and those breathing patterns reinforce the brain. This emotion that you're experiencing is a really big deal. And just by thought alone, you have put your entire body into fight or flight mode. And really, most of the time this happens to us, we're sitting on the couch worrying, we're anticipating something bad might happen, or we're lying in bed 3 o'clock in the morning, replaying something from last week. Or perhaps when we're driving to work, we're stressed, we're running late, or we're thinking of our finances, our health. These situations do not justify putting your entire body into a stressed out state. It just doesn't help you. What would help is if you can just notice how you're feeling and have the tools to change it so that you can get back in control, calm, and focused. So, in this guided meditation, we will be focusing on a highly effective breathing technique that calms the sympathetic nervous system and activates our parasympathetic nervous system, otherwise known as our rest and digest system. And once you know how to do this, you can use this technique anywhere, anytime to reset your entire emotional state and have a calm mind and a calm body. In the words of a Buddhist monk, when I sit down to meditate, I start with my breathing routine. I'm going home. I leave the challenges of my waking life and I access the calm and the serenity deep inside of me. And it's from this place that I find my answers, I find my guidance. Breath is my teacher and the portal into my very own inner wisdom. So we'll start our guided meditation with a super calming technique used by the Navy SEALs before they move into combat to calm the body and the mind. Now, if it works for those guys, I'm pretty sure that it's going to work for us. And then we'll move into alternative nostril breathing. This is an ancient practice from India, and this practice balances the energy channels running up through the entire body, known as the nadis. Now, there's a central channel, the sushumna, and that goes all the way through the center of the body up to the top of the head. And wrapped around it are two nadis known as the Ida and Pingala channels. And these wrap their way up all the way through the body and out through the top of the head. So go ahead and begin to find a comfortable seat, sitting up nice and tall. Soften the shoulders back and down. Feel free to close the eyes here. And we'll start by taking a deep inhale through the nose, filling the lungs up with breath. And then out through the mouth, letting it go. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Out the nose. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale 4, 3, 2, 1, pause 4, 3, 2, 1, inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale 4, 3, 2, 1, hold 4, 3, 2, 1, inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, hold it there 1, 2, 3, 4, out the nose, exhale 4, 3, 2, 1, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale 4, 3, 2, 1, pause 4, 3, 2, 1, inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale 4, 3, 2, 1, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, pause 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale 4, 3, 2, 1, hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Last time through, inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale 4, 3, 2, 1, pause 4, 3, 2, 1, big deep inhale and sigh it out. Relax and breathe at your own pace. And notice how you're feeling. Notice the effects through your body from this calming box breathing. Take your awareness inwards, scanning your body, and breathe. And moving into our alternative nostril breathing, go ahead and seal the right nostril with your right thumb, and then we begin. Inhale through the left nostril, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold the breath, release the right thumb, cover your left nostril with your right ring finger, exhale right nostril, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Inhale through your right, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, cover the right side, release the left nostril, and exhale left, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause. Inhale through the left side, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold it there, release the right side, seal the left, exhale right, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause. Inhale through the right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, cover the right side, release the left side, exhale left, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Inhale, left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and switch. Seal the left side. Exhale through the right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Inhale right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Seal the right. Exhale left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it there. Inhale left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Seal the left. Exhale right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Inhale right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sealing the right. Exhale through the left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Inhale left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Release the right. Cover the left side. Exhale right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. Inhale right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switching to the left side. Exhaling left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. Inhale left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switching sides last time through. Exhale from the right. 4, 3, 2, 1. And pause. Inhale right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switching sides. Exhale left side. 4, 3, 2, 1. Relaxing your hand down. Big deep inhale. Filling the lungs, the entire torso with breath. Hold it there. And relaxing it out. Feeling the change deep inside of you. Noticing any sensations through the body. From the bottom of the torso all the way to the top of your head. Relaxed breathing, keeping your awareness inwards. Feeling those sensations all the way through your torso, down your arms, and all the way into your fingertips. Feel the energy coursing through your fingers, extending out through your fingertips. Maybe you notice tingling coming out of the ends of your fingers. Breathing, relaxing, maintaining awareness of your breath, of your body. And bringing your hands together in front of your chest, in front of your heart, sealing your meditation practice. The power of mindful breath is a gift to your mind and to your body. And you can do this anywhere, anytime, simply by taking time out every day to love yourself enough to follow a breathing practice. You can improve your life from the inside out. And when life throws you a curveball, you'll have these simple techniques to put yourself back on track with a clear mind and a calm body. It's tried and tested. Hand on my heart, even in the most earth-crashing moments. Yes, my friends, it truly works. Namaste.